TOOLMake18. Don't be a tool, make one. Hi and welcome to update number 8. You now have a fortnight left to get your entries in. And this week we had just one entry, that was from Jim at Make Brooklyn. So thanks very much for that. Check it out, making a kiridashi. Now I'd like to say a quick thank you to the last 3 of the supporters giving prizes to ToolMake. So starting with Classic Hand Tools. Now I've been a customer of theirs for years and they've always provided great service. Then there is AussieBigRigPlans, who I'm completely new to, but looking at their site and some of the example plans there, they look quite exciting, and if you want to build models of trucks then have a look at those. And finally to From the Heartwood MK, a woodworker who has a YouTube channel, Instagram, and also provides premium Greek olive wood. Okay, that's all really for this week. Just to say you've got until the end of July to get your entries in, and I'll leave you with the prizes. Cheerio. Bambi Air Compressors, Woodworker's Workshop, Workshop Heaven, Trend, Evolution Power Tools, Starrette, Screwfix, Micaton, Footprint Tools, Rockler, Classic Hand Tools, AussieBigRigPlans, and From the Heartwood MK. TOOLMake18. Don't be a tool, make one!